Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today opening up a 6th hobby box of Topps Star Wars Rise of Skywalker Series 2. And I do have a couple boxes I ordered I got this one from Cards Infinity, but I do have a couple boxes that I ordered from Dave and Adams because they had a coupon that it was going to expire. It was a really good coupon, so I went and used it. I got some of their cheaper Star Wars boxes, and I picked up a couple of these. Take a chance that they got in some good packs. We'll see. Or good boxes, good cases. And mainly was looking for some supplies. I'm planning on doing a big PSA submission. I really haven't done much with my cards with PSA, but I am going to send in a bunch of cards, and I wanted to get the proper stuff to send them in, and that stuff is impossible to find, but I did find some at Dave and Adams. Throne Room. There's Rey. This pack, all the other packs or boxes, the cards were like half of them were backwards or upside down. So these were all the same way. And we got a bronze, and we got a rose. That one's out of 99. Just want to show, if you watched my last box, this is kind of, if you haven't seen my last box that I opened, this is kind of a spoiler, but just show you how good of a sketch this is of Eric Letnin. There's Rose in his sketch that he did. Fantastic sketch of there's a spider. Wow. Eric Letnin, Rose sketch I got in my last box. So that just reminded me of that, and I wanted to show that sketch again. That's a fantastic sketch. Alright. Next pack. Looks like our parallel will be upside down. Oh, we got the Rey's awesome new lightsaber. I love that lightsaber. I wish we could have seen it in action. And BB-8. Got Baby Rey. Kylo Ren card and Rey with Jedi Spirit Luke. Julio. There's the Worm Man, and that's a really cool Kylo Ren card. That's the, I haven't hit that one yet. That's the Kylo Ren continuity. That was really cool. There's Kylo, Rey. Move these out of the way there. There's the red herring with that Sith dagger. And we got a purple Babu Freak and Usher. Got Pub, Babu Freak, Kylo, another bronze parallel, and one of the puzzle pieces. I've already got that one, unfortunately. And that is out of 99, bronze parallel. Another parallel. This box has a lot of numbered cards. R2, Zori, Chewie, a nice Rey insert, and Kylo versus Rey. It's well centered. These are easy to tell if they're off center because of the way these cards are bordered. That one's out of 199. 188 out of 199. Got Jedi Spirit Luke. Got Rose. BB-8. Jana for Bo. Red 5 versus the Fleet. BB-8. Kylo Ren. Lando. There's a First Order Jetpack Trooper. And see, this one you can easily tell if it's off-centered a little bit. It's a purple Ray. See how it's thinner at the top than the bottom, so it's a little bit off-cut. I got a shot there. Star Destroyer. Zori. Hux. We got a blue, all of the Jedi. Kylo. Let's hit something really cool in the last box. Well, I mean, I do have a couple more boxes coming, but the last box that I got from Cards Infinity. There's Rey tapping into the dark side there, and Finn. But we are definitely due for another one of those little medallion patch thingies. Emblem cards. We got Rey, more Rey, more Rey. Lots of Rey in this pack. Hux and Chewie, and Applek. I really hope they give me a different auto. That's been a really bad thing about these boxes, even though I've gotten some sketches. They keep giving me the same autos. Out of 5 boxes, I only have 3 different autos. So, not cool tops. They really screwed up when they did this set, because there's a lot of cases that were missing all their sketch card hits, and that's rough. Bad quality control on this product. Got the Emperor. We've got Rey with the holocron thing, and Stormtrooper. Kylo. Another red. I think that's red. Bulio. Lando. Oh, that's a cool one to get the red, because she's using dark side. Oh, and that is out of 43 out of 199. And Cardo. Everybody could use a little Cardo. There's Leia in training. The Emperor. A purple extreme close-up of Rey. I like to do that when I get that card. Star Wars joke. Alright. There's a Pride. Wow, another red. That'll be our 5th numbered parallel already. Ooh, and there's an auto in here too. So set that there. Poe Dameron. And nicely centered. The First Order arrives. Looks good with that red parallel. That is 80 out of 199. So I'll take this Kylo, because we want to get a Kylo auto. That would be cool. Or Daisy Ridley. Or I'll just take someone that I haven't hit yet. I'll be happy. Because I'm very happy with my sketches that I got. Got Chewie, Worm Man, General Leia. Got the reunion there. We got the Emperor. Unfortunately, no Emperor autographs in this product. That would have been nice. Ninnum and Readying the Ritual. I read somewhere that he died in that battle at the end, so there's no more Ninnum. Very sad. Rey and Kylo, General Quinn, the Mighty Quinn, and Rey with her mom. This one, the Star Wars flashlight right there. Believe it or not, they have flashlights in Star Wars. Another parallel. Awesome. That's 6 in this box. Got Zen Master Rey, Wicket. Oh, cool. That one's cool to get as a red parallel right there. The Knights of Ren. That is 2 out of 99. Sweet. Got a Blu-ray, and there's a Knights of Ren card. Oh. X-Wing, Evil C-3PO, General Leia, Knights of Ren, and a blue. That looks good with the blue right there too. I will say, the movie wasn't the all-time greatest Star Wars movie, but Topps knocked it out of the park with the photos that they picked out to put in this set, because they're all very memorable scenes. Like, what a great visual that Emperor's Throne is right there. That was a great visual. The Emperor. Beware of the power of the dark side. That is a Knights of Ren card. There's a blue parallel there. This feels like it. Yep, we got the patch thingy. We did get a purple out of there too. And that dude. The evil Emperor Palpatine, purple. And Janna. One of those emblem. They call it a medallion. I don't think a medallion can be non-metal. It's plastic. So there was our hit. And we still have our auto though. Hopefully we'll get a nice auto there. Rey. Knights of Ren. That's a really cool artwork there. It's not a sketch. I'd make a 6 sketch though. And last pack. Rey with the new lightsaber. Jar of Snokes. Purple Ewoks. And Pride. Seems like Pride, General Pride is in that last pack almost all the time. That's kind of weird. Alright, let's see who we got for our last hit. Wait, it's upside down. So, yeah, I thought. This is just a base auto. Somebody that wears green. I haven't hit this one, but I do have this guy's autograph. It is a guy. Kieran Shaw. He plays some characters in some of the movies. He signed in like Force Awakens and stuff. He also played Hobbit doubles in the Lord of the Rings movie. So pretty cool auto. Kieran Shaw as Nambi Gima. Not numbered or anything. That's pretty cool. Definitely don't have that character's auto. I might have the actual dude's auto, but don't have this card. So that's pretty awesome. And we got the Janna little plastic thingy. And we got a whole mess of numbered cards, including this really sick Knights of Ren red parallel. So not too bad of a box, really, all in all. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.